Docker has added support for running AI models in Docker Desktop 440, so download it now. This is available on Apple Silicon right now, but soon it will also be available on Windows as well. The way it works is your Docker model runner doesn't run inside of a container, but it actually relies on an inference server that's installed on your host by default called Llama CPP. Other inference mechanisms will be used in the future, but right now the Llama CPP is the only one that's used. So let's get started with it and see how it works. First, go to your Docker desktop, then go to settings, select features in development, and then ensure the enable Docker model runner is toggled on. Now let's open a terminal and see a Docker model status. So you will see that the Docker model runner is running. You can do a Docker model list to see all the available models you have inside of your computer. So as you can see, I have a couple of models already pulled, but initially when you're going to run this, you will get an empty list, and that's okay because you can pull the models directly from Docker Hub. So let's head out to Docker Hub and see the available models. So right now, these are the available official models. Soon others will be added as well, but it's very easy to pull a model. So to pull a model, you'll just get the name of it. Let's just click on one of them and then copy it and go back to Docker Desktop. Inside Docker Desktop, in order to pull a model, you're just going to run docker model pull and add the name of the model. The model was pulled successfully. So we can run models in two ways. I'll use the Llama 3.2 because I'm more accustomed with it rather than Gemma. So we can do a one-off like this, or we can do it interactively. And we've started an interactive chat, and we can say, hey, how are you today? Can you tell me what's 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4, so you can easily chat with it, and when you're done, you can just say bye. So this is useful to get some information directly inside of your terminals, but you would want, of course, to use this inside of your application. And this can be easily done because this is compatible with OpenAI's API. Test it out and let me know how it works for you. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified when new videos are posted. See you.